strategies, mindset, anything that's going to help us to increase the income of our business. I realized that most of you guys here have already made sales. Most of you guys here have already ran traffic. Okay, so that's great. So your traffic is checked. You have made some sales. Even if you haven't made some sales, this is going to help you. So the question here is, what happens after the sale, or how do you mail, or how do you start monetizing your leads, right? So this is where you can come up with a 7 days, okay, a 7 days email strategy. Okay, so on the 7 days email strategy, that's Monday all the way to Sunday. Okay, I'm going to just draw in one more column here. Okay, and this is your products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 different products. Okay, so 6 different products here. And what you want to do is you want to break down your emails into, you want to break the day down into 2 different emails per day. Okay, so I'm just going to further split this. Okay, this is very aggressive type of mailing strategy. Okay, I'm just going to split it in the middle. Okay, so every day I split them into AM and PM. Okay, so the top half is AM, the second half is PM. This chart is your mailing strategy. Okay, so what are you going to mail? So remember I said that for one product you can try it for 2 days. Okay, and usually it takes about 7 touch points for someone to make a purchase. Okay, but that's usually for products that are of higher level or higher ticket. Anything below $50 is actually considered an impulse purchase. Okay, and the things that we are selling online, that's the easiest to move, it's below $50. It's usually like $17 to $47. So that's considered impulse purchase. So with impulse purchase, you don't really need 7 touch points. Okay, so about 4 touches, you should get that sale. So this is what you're gonna do. Okay, I'm just gonna start ticking the boxes. So for Monday, you can do product A in the morning, product A again at night. Okay, for Tuesday, same thing. You can run it again. Okay, so that's actually 2 emails sent out in one day. Do you realize that? Okay, 2 emails in one day. So that can be AM and PM. So it can be intervals of 12 hours. So 9 AM, 9 PM, 10 AM, 10 PM. Okay, so no harm about it at all. Okay, so why do you want to send it out 2 times a day? Is because sometimes people work in the morning, some people work at night. They only check their emails when they're home. So you want to get 2 touch points. Usually in the afternoon, you can send out emails as well, like 2 PM. It's fine. Some people check their emails during lunch. But I personally think that AM and PM, like before they start work, when they're commuting to their workplace, they check their email, they listen to the video sales that they make a purchase, or when they are commuting back home, or like after they have their dinner. Usually that's when they're free to check on their personal mails.
Shawn, your program, your software is one of the few things I have purchased that actually delivers.
Wow.
And works.
Big word. Thanks for that.
Yeah, a lot of them say, you can do this in 23 seconds. Then you go in there, you got to be an IT guy to make it work. And I am not.
I'm not too, man. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, great program. I appreciate it. I've made about 4 sales so far.
Excellent.
So got something going there. It'll just get better.
It will, definitely. Just up. It's the only way now is up. That's all.
Yeah, so I just joined. I'm in my first month, or just finished my first month, and have actually made my first money online ever. Well, after 2 years of fiddling around, and so the reason I think I've done that is because of the way this is so automated. In terms of having the autoresponder linked in, automatic, I'm very, very happy with it. I also think it's a product that I won't sell something unless I feel like
you got to be proud of it, right? Yeah.
Okay. And this is the first one. I genuinely think it's good for people to do, and I'm starting to. So I think I've had 11 sales in the first 9 in the first month, and I've had 2 since, just in the last day or 2.
Wow.
And yeah, no, I think it's got good potential. But again, I'm new, so we'll see. But so far, I'm delighted. I just couldn't stand behind something if it wasn't good. You know, I just wouldn't sell it. And to be honest, there's so much junk on all of these different. You know, you look at Warrior Price, you look at JV Zoo. There's so much absolute crap there that I just couldn't sell it personally. Because if I do something, I want to help someone with it, help myself, but also help others. And I think so far this is looking good.